Alright, what's good, bro?
Oh, yo.
Are we playing Echo VR?
I hate you.
Oh, my buddies.
Oh,
There you got me.
Oh my
Yo.
god.
yo.
Yo.
Yeah, bow tie,
CVS.
bow tie, bow tie, bow tie, bow tie.
10-0. I'm right here. Full piece box,
Shoot,
dead.
shoot,
200
I'm right
knocked.
here, shoot.
On me.
Oh,
Oh my god, pass. I'm
I
trying to solo.
can't. I wasn't trying to. I'm sorry. Yo, Osco, come here, bro.
Come here. Okay.
Oh,
Yo, my fault. Watch out, there's a woman on
I
you.
hate you.
You're red.
Should have said that.
Don't miss
diamond,
it, don't miss it, don't miss it.
Bottom diamond.
What do you mean don't miss it?
I can't wait.
Oh, that's your goal.
Bro.
Sometimes I forget what color I am.
Bro, what the
Wait.
I'm mentally
I wasn't even
colorblind.
trying to
Like
show
my
you.
eyes.
that.
Mentally or physically?
Mentally, like my eyes actually work.
Nice block, bro.
My brain doesn't.
You just your brain is.
Friendly?
You're
Go for it.
you're yellow. You're actually red.
Oh, good block.
Yeah, gold.
Snickers.
Left.
Someone's right. Someone's my right.
Guard,
My
go
bad.
to him.
Nice.
I thought you were gonna stun him.
Yeah, somebody
I wasn't until I put up his shield.
Yes, you gotta be
Friendly?
smart. Go.
Never mind.
What?
Oh my god. No.
Wait, how you still on me? This is the laggiest crap I've ever.
Good save, dude.
Oh my god.
Dimes. Yes.
I almost said it, bro.
My fault.
Why do I have 113 swing?
Fault, dude.
Bro, change your
I
mind.
almost said but it did on accident.
Hey.
Bro,
Look, come on, I'm trying to invite this kid.
Do y'all want to know something? I want to clutch one, bro.
Bro him. Join,
Can't
thank
believe
you.
Is that now?
I can't believe I'm
No,
gonna
it's
clutch
bro
one.
him. Wait, zombie kid, what if you leave right now?
Oscar, are you
Yo,
friends with
do y'all
Nav?
want to join my team? Nah, I'm joking.
No, I don't. I'm not
Yeah,
playing VR now. Or did somebody kid on VRS wants me to?
Hey, but
Fred. Low.
That's yours.
Sorry about it.
that was a pass. W
I
pass.
didn't mean to steal it.
Let it go! Oh,
I thought that was a pass.
Why is my resolution so low?
Specifically.
That looks like a
Did I
pass.
steal it from you?
oh my
Yes.
god.
Dang,
You
Very
never
much
passed
yes.
to me.
just do
Then
it.
I never
Do
get
it
to
for me.
scoot.
Oh, no. Yo, guys, I'm
Pacific. Pacific.
Holy crap, bro! I'm not used to this.
I'm the proud.
I turned off volume metrics. Usually I have it on, which makes the whole like arena like foggy and stuff, but I turned it off.
I'm getting dribbling. We're dribbling.
I turned it off.
Got it.
Yeah. Dude, my eyes like can't
I know how
adjust.
trash that is, bro.
What's he been up to?
My eyes
I
cannot
don't know.
adjust.
You messed up.
Oh,
your
did he not
dribbling.
respond?
He
It's so
did,
low.
but he didn't say much. Are you jumping on your bed?
Yep.
I am.
I'm being going.
Yo,
Go.
clear it out.
Don't clear towards me. Don't clear towards me. Clear towards me. Clear towards me.
Yo, Oscar, go for the half court.
Oh my
Zombie.
god.
Zombie. Nice.
Yes, sir,
Good
baby.
stuff, dude.
Good, thank you.
How do you hit that with like 5 and the 9?
Nice shot,
or something?
dude.
I forgot what your settings were.
It's not 5'9", 45 anymore.
Hey guys, am I
Oh, it's
teleported for you?
6'9"?
No, what?
I hate you. I hate.
It's 5'7", 45
Why
now.
did they, bro? Why did they reset
Oh,
my
yeah.
team?
It's cause I kept on shooting.
Right there. Shut up.
Or
Hello.
you with 6.0 and
Hello.
a 9.
We can hear you.
What? Yo, guys, can you hear me? Nice.
Yes.
No,
Do you guys like that half court I did?
no.
Alright,
Yeah, I'm blind. I'm Pacific
Turn around,
blind.
specifically.
Oh, is this stuff that's red?
I'm on,
Let it go. What are you doing?
I'm on.
Reset goal,
Quick, quick.
Don't reset goal, bro. Somebody reset goal.
Oh, yeah, you're right.
Don't purple me.
Guys,
I
come on.
was scared that you're gonna purple me.
Damn.
It's way high.
just hit my wall. Dribbling, bro. Oh my god.
They're crossed to the left hand.
The best goal in A. The best goal in A.
Don't let him walk it in.
I'm scared.
Shot. Oh, you just left
He
go
missed-
wide
he
open.
missed
Watch
the
out, I
curve
gotta go.
shoot.
Watch out. Okay, you grabbed that from my hands. It's fine.
For whatever reason, did not intend that to go
You're
there.
red. You're orange.
Turn on,
They're
man.
regrabbing.
Oh, I missed you,
You're
sir.
stacking.
I'm on
you. Okay.
Zombie.
Yeah, let's go.
Zombie.
Oh,
I missed it. I hit something.
Crap. Go back.
No way.
Come here, come here.
We
Nice.
got a stack coming.
Go straight up, dude.
Yes,
Come on.
King.
I'm on ceiling our side.
Somebody's behind.
Ceiling our side.
Pass.
Reset spot.
Don't. Somebody's behind.
Never mind, don't pass me.
They're stacking.
Bro. Hey, off go.
Right here.
Tunnel.
Hey,
Left tunnel.
Oscar.
Left tunnel.
Holy shit.
I'm gonna be at.
Pass. Left tunnel.
I'm boot our side.
Go, go.
Boot. Okay.
That was not left tunnel, bro.
I know, I just threw it. My bad.
Oh, wait. Bro,
Go for it.
I slept it.
No way.
Bro, what is your passes, bro? You're bad
Here.
at passing.
Zombie kid.
Oh,
Yeah.
gold,
Stop
gold.
juking. Stop juking. Throw it already. Come
Go left,
here.
go left.
You idiot. Come here.
Fuck, you knocked me off.
Man, chill,
He's
chill.
stunned. That was funny.
Inside shot, what?
That wasn't inside shot.
Was that a card flake? Hold on.
Yo.
That was
No, it's a
card
monkey flip.
flick. No, that wasn't a conflict. You came right here. Boom.
Yeah, that was the monkey
Boom.
flight, bro.
No, I didn't
Slap.
sidearm. You can.
No,
I went like
did
this.
slap it in.
I went like
Card
this.
flake. This is what you did. Look, this, did you do this?
Are you
That's
No,
a card flake.
I went like this. Look,
I don't
look
know
at my
what
hand. Look at
you
my
did
hand.
on
Look at my
your
hand.
own.
Look at my hand. I went like this. Right here.
Hey,
That's a car flick.
that.
That's not. This is
No,
a card
that's-
flick.
I know what a card flake is.
Bro doesn't know what a card flick is?
Oh my god. Good try.
Hit me, hit me, hit me.
Let me-
I'm not even connected.
I
on
got
it.
you.
Monster was much. Oh my god.
No, my coin.
Mozzarella.
My coin.
Watch out, get off, get off. Okay.
Trash car.
Yep, steal it from me and then let them score. Yep.
And my coin.
Wait, you guys keep on stealing everything from me, bro.
Hey, let's regrab. Come on,
Bro,
hurry up. Let's
you
regrab.
stole it from me. It's not my fault, bro.
I grabbed it and then someone stole it from me.
Don't play with the dick. I mean the disc.
Yeah, you're gonna ban.
That's probably zombie.
Nah,
That is zombie.
Bro, nah, he just like, oh, you got the disc.
Hey, somebody go to 5 with me. Somebody go to 5.
Yo, Offgo, do you think the Nav steals the disc too much?
No, he never steals it from me.
Alright.
Freaking lucky. He just goes up to me and steals
Not
it.
to me. He doesn't steal it from me because he knows that. He knows my power. Oh shoot, we had the disc.
We went down.
That's
That was my bad. I didn't look.
no, that's yours.
Y'all guys are good at this game.
I'm on you, morning.
Go, go, cool.
Good game.
Only one.
GG.
Shoot it.
Good try.
Whoop.
What?
That wasn't.
I'm best goalie in A. Best goalie in A. Best goalie in A.
Off the head.
Bro, I'm spooting.
Dude, GG.
Bitch.
I hate you.
Me too.
Snickers.
What did I do to you?
Free
You
catch.
solo this from me.
Yeah, let me shoot it. Please. I don't make shots, bro.
Then why are you
No,
shooting
bro.
it?
He was right.
Miss, no way.
He was definitely wrong. He makes
Hey,
everything.
bad car spit.
Yeah, bro. I was just lagging that
Best
time.
goalie in A. Best
What?
goalie in
Yeah, sure.
Best-
Sure. Pass right, boot.
Best
Left
goalie,
boot.
eh?
Left boot. Left
Best
boot.
goalie, eh?
Left
Yo,
boot.
come here.
I would've made that.
Easy.
10 out of 10 out. No, I'm just kidding. That's songs, you know. Where are these homos?
I'm done.
You're dumb.
Never
You're dumb.
mind.
I thought we were gonna get shut down.
Done,
too.
done.
It was fun.
Roasted chicken.
Yeah.
Well, that was fun.
Hey, bro, him.
Ah, well, thanks for the
Dude.
invite. Thanks for the games. It was
You're welcome.
fun.
You're up. No, just kidding.
Hey, Offgo, show me how to do that flick.
See,
Alright.
Travis,
Yeah, show me.
good
Show me.
games.
Show me.
So you go like this. You
Not
start
the
right
monkey
here,
flick. I
and
said
then you go
monkey
like
flick.
that. So,
Oh yeah, the monkey flick.
oh, it hit your head.
I hate you.
Alright, so you go
For
like.
hitting
I
my
love
head.
you.
I got a concussion now.
Alright, so you go
Huh.
like.
You know how people in Quest go like this? Look at me, look at me.
Oh my god. Stop
Look, you know how
doing
people-
this.
Wait, let me see.
I'm on quest.
Yeah, I know. Let me
you go.
show you though.
Oh my god, this kid is. I gave this kid a
Bro.
You know how people in Quest go like that?
Yeah.
Yes.
It's like that, but you're aiming it towards somewhere, and then you flick it out.
Okay, bet.
Bar hand. Bar hand.
So like. Let me do the hand flick.
Oh, yeah.
Let me do the hand flick.
The pamphlet.
Let me
No,
try that one.
I'm gonna go in Echo Combat Training because it's fun.
Bro, I'm going to ankle combat thing too, bro.
Oh yeah, that's alright.
Joining match.
We're asking. Okay. Oh my gosh, bro. I'm scared.
Yeah. Pacific.
Yo, Pacifier.
He on a different team.
Yo, Farsight.
Pacify on a different team.
Yo, Farsight, bro. We got Heimdall on the other team.
Whoa, I feel bad for Pacify.
Pacific.
Because we got that Nepa.
Shut up, Barham. Or Monkey Packy. Whatever. Yeah, you.
Dude, I'm besties with Kong.
You did what on your
I'm gonna
face?
ask you. I'm defeated, bro. We're splitting. Come on.
Alright, come on. Let's go, monkey. We better win this all the way, you know?
Offco.
What?
After this game, I want to tell you what my co-captain told me.
Bro, Sunken wanted me to join VRSO. I said no, and then he called me the hard on.
I hate those rip-off minutes.
That was a lady grab.
Hey, Red.
Hey, Red.
For him money.
I had no angle, so I just threw it. You're red. Red.
You're red, full piece box.
What a shot. That was a pass.
And I downed it back,
I
okay?
messed up.
What the
God.
holy quest, dude, that
So
guy.
freaking hard, it's unbelievable.
We got that Heimdall guy.
Yo, throw it.
Oh, are you serious?
I gotta go.
Oh, damn.
Nest.
I'm stunned. Watch out, I gotta go move. Oh, I grabbed onto him. I already got him out. I said get it a goal, and then everybody
Yo,
just hopping and go.
Yo, do you feel bad for that kid? He punched the lamb, bro.
Which one? That one right there?
Yeah, bro, he went like, oh, dang.
Oh my.
Offco. I was covering for you, and then I was gonna get out, but I got.
I would have gotten to this, I think, actually. I don't know.
No,
They're
but,
right.
no, the blue guy was.
No, don't trench.
I'll grab this at the left.
Left trench.
At the left, at the left.
Throw that.
I'm fucking stupid. I do
Go back.
Hit trench.
Well, I'm so
Trench, hit goal. Hit goal.
Hey, go.
No way.
No
Everybody.
way he missed.
Ain't no way I'm
Ain't
that
no
Oh, nice red.
What? How'd you grab that?
Lag.
Bravo.
Ceiling.
I gotta go, guys. Don't worry.
See?
I gotta go.
I'm stealing.
No, you don't.
Come on, bro. I'm action.
Oh, what's up, bro? Him?
Hey, somebody come for arm.
I couldn't
I
see.
was about to go over there. I thought you were.
All right, guys. We know what to do. We know what to do.
No, I
go,
don't.
team.
I feel like
We're doing it. We're doing it, guys.
As soon as I said that kid threw his controller, I think I threw my controller.
Offco, just let me take my time, okay?
Yo,
Alright,
guys, I'm
bro.
gonna start trying in
Wait.
the pub. Let's go.
But everybody's resolution is so low. Like the lights in your eyes aren't even
We'll
on,
talk about what happened.
except for the person in
I
conversation.
know where everyone is, so you guys don't have to call it where you are. Unless I'm red behind the back.
Uh-oh. Yo, how about this? They're all on quest, right? The other team. Are you guys on quest? Because if they are, then I have a good plan. So we can win. Come on. Red.
You're right.
Snickers.
I'm right here.
Now
Go.
say without the
Watch
S.
it bounce.
No, you little boy.
No.
Save that. Nice, clear. I gotta go.
Yo, pass.
Go ahead.
Yo, pass up.
Shoulder.
Oh, you're covered. You're covered, bro.
Shoulder.
I passed it to me.
Come here, go. Go. Okay,
I got stunned.
Cut it out.
I'm going back to the.
hop in. Red.
Your name's Pacific now.
The 3?
Yo, bro, what team did you play
Oh,
for?
my name. Yo, my
That
name's
was.
God.
We.
Is that only when you
I played
like
for nothing.
snitch on me?
I played for Joker, bro.
That is for sure.
No.
They were the neighbors that like no first they were like no they were the neighbors yeah they were the neighbors
Oh, my team played against neighbors.
but now they're Joker. And they changed their whole fucking roster. I just checked.
Is somebody on me?
Yeah.
Me.
3 people.
There's 3 people on here.
That
Cross
didn't work,
right,
did it?
you're red.
It might have. It might have. It might
That's-
have. Get it out, get it out, get it out.
No way.
I got you, I got you. Barham.
No, you're.
Get it, get
Man,
it.
my booty hurt.
Red's right here, right here.
Hey.
To your right, to your right, to your right.
It's in, it's in. What's that?
No, it's not in. It's not in.
That's in.
It can't be in if it's from the top.
Is it
That's
can?
Yabba dabba
King,
doo.
right, King,
Yabba
King.
dabba doo. Yabba dabba dabba.
Yabba
Yabba dabba.
Wow, you could have grabbed that
What's up,
anyway.
bro?
I was stunned.
Bro, imagine own goaling in a game you can't even goal in.
You could have headbutted it.
I did.
Hey, good goal, bro. Good job. Good goal, bro.
Teamwork makes the dream work.
Yeah, bro, for real.
No, we're
Why don't I have two? Why don't I have two goals?
I mean, I'm thirsty, bro. But I don't want to drink because I have a sore throat.
That's that.
So it's gonna feel like someone just stabbed like a whole bunch of knives in my neck.
Is that how you have to do it?
No way! The second person missed.
No, the second person was
Shoot the 3.
The second person was gold.
I don't know who the second person was either.
It was gold. No way they're missing though.
No, it wasn't.
Shoulder, shoulder,
It
shoulder,
was,
shoulder, shoulder.
it was the combat skin. Somebody in the combat skin.
Bro, all my teammates are covered.
Oh,
Not that guy, though.
no, oh. Shoulder, back of shoulder.
Holy crap! That guy lagged on my screen.
People on you for some reason.
That guy just lagged. That scared the crap out of me.
Happy, 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 happy.
Okay, guys, I have a game plan. I have a game plan. I have a game plan.
They got a game plan.
Alright, guys, so we're
I
gonna
already know
J-train?
what it is.
Oh,
They're gonna go to the left.
Train. They're doing a Joker train.
They're doing a Nebula train all the way through.
Osco, me and you, Nebula. Please, 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 please.
Well, you're gonna have to do it. I'm not on quest anymore.
I'm going trench.
Wait,
Or I
do
haven't
what?
been.
Going trench
Like
on the bottom.
I'll grab the,
This, no, this point. There you go,
I'll do
forward.
that part. Yeah, bet. I'll do that part.
Trench, right trench.
I go full.
Huh?
Wait, what did I grab? Dude,
Wait,
I
what?
forgot the whole thing.
Yo, fast. K.
KKK,
You're
whoa.
red. You're red. There.
Yo.
You're red.
Wow! I can escape crap. Clear it, clear it, clear it, clear it, clear it, just clear it.
Go, go,
Come on, I'm angle, I'm
Are you
angle.
following me? You're red.
Just push out anybody.
Let me on
You're
you.
red.
Let me on
You're
you.
red. You're red.
You're red.
I just want to jump
Stunned him.
Nest.
Hey, I got
Hey,
it.
right here, right here.
No, I'm going away.
Yo, fast.
Both side, both side, both side, both side, both side.
I'm gonna see if I can cover it while looking behind me.
What are you doing?
What do you mean? What are you doing?
Never mind.
I'm playing team. You're red. You're red. You're red. You're red.
Oh my
You're
God.
red.
Up and go, up and go, up and go! Up and go!
You got this. You got this. You got this. You got this.
Wait, what? It's orange! Bro, they're breathing so hard.
This goalie
I'm not
sucks, bro.
breathing. I
The
just
goalie's
got here.
I'm gonna make that on my soundboard, bro. A whole bunch of them breathing.
Again, but we're gonna be upside down.
Oh, we're about to get mercy on.
I know.
We're gonna
I just
do
got
it for
Chicago.
upside
Go left, go left, go left, go left.
down. No, we're not doing that.
We're gonna dribble left. Our left. Our left, yes.
Oh,
It's not gonna work.
I thought we were Nebulaing. I thought we were
No, it's not gonna work.
What a bum, bro.
Hey,
You're right,
hey,
you're right, you're right.
Hey,
Oh.
come
Hey, bro,
on.
let me see it, let me see it. Pass,
Hurry up.
pass.
Cross right, you're red.
Pass.
Full Pete's box, dead. On me, on me.
You're red. You're red.
200 knocked.
Yo, hit me. Yo,
Oh, look at all of you.
You're red.
What are you doing? Why are you
What? Why does it?
Get him.
That's it, that's it!
It's
Come here, come
really
here.
No, no, no. Hey, get on me, get on
Go,
me,
Go,
get on
go.
me.
Just full, just push.
You're,
Just,
Get on me, get on me, get on me.
hop on, hop on.
You're red.
Go,
Yellow
go.
red. Yellow fully red.
You're red.
Friendly.
Go on.
That's a bird.
Woo! I caught that. I clipped that.
Are you serious?
Are you
That's it.
recording?
Yeah, I've been.
Bro, put it on Pinterest. I swear, bro.
You told me that already. As soon as I
You should
started
clip it on
recording.
metal.
it's over. Metal? Nah, I cut it out. I cut it out of my OBS videos.
Alright, I'm gonna go right.
That's a clip
I'm
that
gonna
we
go
just
right.
did. Bro, him. Was it you or someone else?
Alright.
See, where's Regrab with me?
Me, I was on you.
Just stay Regrab. That's a full-on plan. Like, hold on to me. Hold on to me. You want me?
Just go.
You're not even on me. Gold play. Gold play. Come here.
No, he's gonna miss.
Cross.
No, not a shot.
Yes.
Not a shot.
Yes, victory.
Oh,
Okay,
what the heck? That
absolutely
feels like my fingers. At least I hit a clip of them.
That's going in the Taj.
Happy Meal.
That's going in the Taj.
Did you just see that shot?
No.
Ain't no way. No, your shots are terrible.
Snicker.
Yes, go ahead.
Hey, shoot it.
No, it's because I have a sword throw.
You're gonna miss.
Guys, get on me.
I'm on your face.
Hit me up. Hit me in wider. Hit me in wider. Hit me in
Hey,
wider.
guys, let's grab. You grab. Come on, grab.
Uh-oh.
I don't have it.
Look at you.
Break.
Okay. I want to
Hop in.
stack. Come on, let's stack.
Wait, Regrab me to left tunnel. Go. Let me slide. Please. Yeah, it's so stupid right there. Ah, bro, this feels nice. Sitting down.
Honestly, I thought we were finna get kicked out, bro. I thought we were finna get kicked out
Kicked out where?
from the stupid game.
Cause
Me and Broham, we were sitting
The only social lobby Echo
Okay.
Combat players.
Wait, what?
You want me to tell you what my captain did to me today?
Humped you and
What
raped
did
you.
your captain say?
Oh my god. Yeah, I'm serious.
Hold on, what rank are y'all?
You,
Because I
you
want
know
to
how
do a
my
scrum with
parents are
y'all.
like,
Yeah.
no. So he made, like, he was joking about them, like, on purpose, like, you have no family, blah, 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 and, like, LL and all that shit. And, like, I was pissed off.
Did you leave?
Yeah, bro. And then you went up to him, and then you told him the IP, and then you swatted him.
I'm probably
How do you get someone's IP? I know how to see where like streamers live. Like it's pretty
you
easy.
gotta see. No,
If
you
you-
gotta go to their Wi-Fi, and then you check their IP.
Are you golden plant?
I've never did
What
it,
the
but
fudge, man?
I don't know why. I just know.
Mother fudger. We got Copal and Pro. What?
You don't say bad words around this.
Alright, what you
You
say?
stupid snicker.
Oh my god.
Hold on, I want to do
Watch
that
this, bro.
flick. I
I
want to do
can't
that
shoot
flick.
straight. Watch.
Yo, you can only shoot guy. I can curve the disc. Ready? I'm gonna curve it to the right. Ready? Oh my gosh, guys.
Yo, off go. You go to Big Arena. Let's play Pig World Break.
Dude,
You call me a pig boy?
curve
Yeah.
behind me.
Yeah, dude.
What? What did you say, bro?
Alright, bro. Behind the back, epic shot. Oh my god.
I didn't see it, so it didn't count.
Oh my god, Denise.
Alright, bro. So epic shot, my diamond shot. Oh, pump fake. Oh, off go.
I'm right here. What? That didn't work. Nah, it didn't work. I just wanted to hide it. It was good, bro. Gold plat. Hey, okay. Hold up.
Hey, what's up, guys?
What's up, gold plat?
No, oh my god.
What?
No.
We're gonna win, right?
Yeah, we is. Yep,
It definitely is. We're splitting. Never mind, you already know.
Get me in.
Bro, what?
What?
What is wrong with you? Okay, what is wrong with you?
What do you mean? What is
Pick
wrong?
up your controllers.
My controllers are working, but I was just laying down on my back butt in a weird way.
You got that Riz.
Alright, come on. What the snicker, bro? You stupid snicker, dude. Come here, come here. Gold plat. Gold plat, gold plat. You stupid snicker, doodle. Ah, we scored in your face, kid.
We scored on you.
Stupid snicker,
It's a really
stupid.
bad
We
word,
scored
bro.
on you.
Sorry,
That's why you about to
Snicker.
lose.
Bro.
That's why you about to lose.
Dude, snicker, 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 snicker. I hate Snickers. I only
Bro,
love
I'm
Milky
recording
Ways.
you.
You're reporting me?
Oh my god.
Dude, don't
I
ban
saw
me.
that. I saw that.
I saw that on. Don't think I really saw that. Nah.
So what? Were they kissing in the back?
Yep.
No way. Dude, I'm literally recording. I'm going to check back the footage.
Come here, homie.
Okay.
Don't go.
That was kind of a panic though. And they missed. You're red. You're orange.
Oh no, that's bouncing.
Move.
That's reset back. Oh, hold on.
My thing stopped flapping.
You gladiator looking boy.
Give it to me.
How did you?
You ready, bro? Go ahead and hit it to me. Am I bro him? Bro him. Bro him. I was right here, bro
It
him.
was a reset.
No, it wasn't you, black boy.
Yeah, the cast.
It's on backwards.
Actually, it was a backwards shot. Come on, let's
Come
go.
here, come here.
No, you come here.
Was Pac-Man, and he or she was not.
You ready,
How
ready?
did you not grab me? That's straight. That's weird, bro. That's weird.
Ooh, oh, you got it.
What? I threw that like so long ago.
Sniper King.
Yes, you did.
And I recorded that, so.
I won.
Snicker, snicker, snicker. Red, red, red.
Snicker.
It looked just boring. Red.
Oh my god, bro. This
Top
got
shot. Yep, that's it.
Alright, jump.
Wait, that's mine, that's mine. I got red.
Bro, I swear to God,
Yeah,
my
very
finger
red.
is twisting.
Yeah?
That was a fake. That was a whole fake.
My
What?
thing keeps on twisting. Why does this thing keeps on twisting?
It was good, girl.
If I could switch my rotation.
Did you
thing
fall
to
from
my
heaven?
other
Because your
controller-
face is messed
Oh
up.
wait, that would be good.
Nah, I'm just kidding.
Bro, I did a whole fake on him.
Yeah, you started faking. What'd it say? What'd it say? What'd it say?
Bro, Pacific was trying to like cut off
Pacific?
in me, bro.
Dude, I want a Pacific Ocean water bottle.
I wanna go left.
They said they want to go left.
Down middle.
Hey, finally.
That's mine, that's
That
mine.
ain't going in. That ain't going in. No, time.
Watch this flick, watch this flick. Ready?
Who's on my
I'm
back?
about to flick to that kid on station.
Behind you. I'm gonna go behind you.
You saw that flick, right?
Yeah, I did.
Grab me, grab me, grab me.
You're red, brother.
Watch out, homosexual man, 47. Dude, these dimes are hot.
Come here,
Nice.
come here. I'm in.
I'm
Shit,
already
close.
on me.
Oh, hacks, hacks. Nice hacks, kid. Bro, these kids are fly hacking, bro.
I don't know how I got the assist.
What?
Yeah, I just did behind the back of man towards you. You did
You
it
need to
behind
take
the
a
back.
what?
My team shit.
Oh, your team is? Oh, you should leave it.
Oh, they made it 3. I thought they made it 2.
No, because they're using aimbot.
Nah, they made a 5.
Dude, oh my gosh, we made a 5. Yeah, we made a 5-pointer half court. Actually, 5-pointer. Yeah.
Full court's 10 points.
Dude, that would be awesome, bro. Everybody would be spamming your full course.
Yeah, that would be pretty cool.
I thought he grabbed that.
Oh shoot, no.
I'm floor floor.
Stay back on defense, sucker.
Watch the flick.
Pass.
Okay,
Thanks.
I'm not gonna do that again.
Fine. Grab on me.
Come here.
Oh, you went right by me.
Snicker, snicker.
Oh.
Nice done, nice done.
Pulled me in a different
You're green when you get it.
Let me go.
Right here.
I ain't
Dragon.
freaking green. What am I supposed to do, Wade? I accidentally pulled out my fucking pad.
I saw you.
Why
did you headbutt?
I got gold.
Oh my gosh, what a save, what a save.
Come here. Come here. Come here.
Get it like a
Let me beat you. I would've.
Let's go friendly.
Alright, let's go.
Oh, shoot,
He doesn't make those. Told you.
What in the fudge, bro? This kid meant too.
I could have saved it. I could have saved it, but I had to
Like same type of
right here.
bounce.
I bumped
I'm
it
like
right
down,
here.
bro.
10 times in the freaking real.
If I lose a game, I'm leaving.
I guess your
I
name
got
says.
That's the new challenge. If I lose a game, I'm
That's
leaving,
crazy.
and I'm gonna stop recording.
Alright,
Let's-
so
let's-
left.
Stop recording.
I'm going left.
Cause I've been recording this, everything, bro.
But that could have been an easy save. If I wouldn't bump. Okay, I hate this. Don't throw left. Do not throw left.
I'm gonna throw left. Oh, I threw left.
What?
Alright.
Oh my gosh. I'm not there. What he got in the disc?
No way.
Hit me, cross right. Cross right.
Nice.
Never mind.
No.
Hey, get him.
Clock.
Yep. Pass.
Clock.
You should have warned.
Clock.
Pocket.
What a
Told
save.
you, pocket.
What a save, bro. What a save.
Bro,
Remember dodge bro?
That
And Reku?
is a pocket. I literally can't.
Why are you
put my
guys
head
not in
through.
goal? I'm trying to cover.
That's a pocket.
Damn.
Probably because you're going down.
Oh,
That
I'm
was
here.
a
That's
mistake.
the
Pocket
way.
your head.
What's
That's
good, bro?
pocket.
Can I bag you?
What's up, bro?
Nah, if you're doing.
What was he gonna say?
That was a pocket.
That was a whole pocket, bro. What is they talking about saying it's not a pocket? 5, 4, 3. I'm going left.
Alright, I'm throwing right. I'm on you on get. Oh no, you're going flat. Yeah.
Okay. You
What
went
are you
up. You went up.
You're green.
I can't block right now.
Nice, come here.
Yo, I'm blocking 2 settings, bro.
You did? 5, 7, 45, red. Nice one.
Block 7, 25. Oh, wait.
Yeah, but you gotta be on CV1. I don't know why you guys are trying to play with it on Quest.
You missed.
CV1 setting.
Told you.
If you missed that, so would've.
I wonder why you guys are saying it's so bad.
Huh? I just switched to
Bro, y'all guys are so bad, bro. We're winning. 9 to 7.
We're winning actually 48 to 0.
Bro, we're
So.
winning, bro. What are you talking about? It's 9 to 7, bro. We're 9.
Don't thirsty, bro.
Same.
Dude, so.
Come on, right?
Alright, I'm gonna go that way.
Alright.
I'm gonna throw left. Someone throw right. Somebody throw right. I'm going right. Somebody throw left. I'm going right.
Stupid. Dime red.
Oh, there's a goalie.
Nest.
Carpet.
Right
Hit him.
Right
No,
carpet.
press left, red. Okay, dimes to the other team.
Come on.
Bro, him.
Can I get it, boost, please?
Oh wait. Red.
That's in. That's a dime. You
Yep,
said.
it's
Okay.
in.
Shoot that. Yes, sir, baby. This is why I hate you.
What am I supposed to do?
No,
Right? I'm thinking I had to close the brake to stop, and then guess what? I don't have a boost.
What's that behind
It's
you?
9 and 9. 9 and 9. Tie. We tie. W's.
Oh.
Blame me for all the stuff. I want to hear
Alright, we're gonna
I'm
rush
switching
them
teams. I'm
super
switching
fast.
teams.
We're rushing.
Tell them to pause.
Super
Tell them to
fast.
pause.
I'm turning it off.
Backwards.
I'm turning it
Switch
off.
teams.
I'm
Tell
turning
them
it
to pause. Switch teams. Tell them to pause.
Backwards, we got bet.
As hop on the train and say
Oh
backwards.
shoot, I feel bad. Sorry.
That was so bad.
Come on, ungifted dash underscore dash.
Okay. They may score.
3.
Hey, bro, get this.
Okay.
This
Come here.
can shoot the 3.
Go. Come here. Come here.
Score. Don't get it.
How did I grab your head instead of punching? Oh,
78
Like that.
cents. $78.99 through super chat. Thank you for the 10 gifted. Thank you.
It's already game over. So yeah.
What? I would have shot that, bro. Why does my?
That's so W's. We won.
Oh, I would have made that too. But of course the game has to glitch out, bro.
We're splitting again?
Go left.
Right.
Alright, we're all left. Okay. Nope.
Actually, we're not. There's a
What's
guy
that on
over
your
here.
shirt? That's cool. Where'd you get that?
Bro.
Pause for a minute. Oh my
Okay, that was a
god.
bad off. Shut up.
I'm not talking to you. I'm saying that I did everything badly.
Hey, bro, pass.
It's not you, it's me.
E dash.
Hit me, you're gay. You stupid Negro. Just throw the disc. Why does no one ever throw the disc?
Down to me.
Hey,
I'm
Dragon.
going-
Someone push him.
Door's open. Come on.
Throw it up, Dragon. Throw it up.
Oh my gosh.
For a solid minute. Red. Oh, fucking got short arms.
Fuck. Yes! Yes! He grabbed it!
Bro, ham.
Dude, he really sold.
You're right, Red.
I'm about to have a
Bottom right.
sperm attack.
What? A sperm attack.
Red.
Holy tracking.
Red.
There you go.
Oh, I can't move.
Hey, bro, ham, boot.
You're green when you get it.
Okay, I got it. Oh, what's that?
Dude, what the fudge, bro?
Like,
Rubber dubber.
With the HE double
Come on,
hockey
get
stick.
some lube. I knew you were gonna stun me, but I wasn't on the ground to shield.
I'll be cut. Am I?
Let's check out a lane for that.
Holy
I
crap.
can't be cut right now. I'm trying to block, but
There, yeah.
Man, Rogue, just clear it out of this area. That's all our team has to do.
Oh, wow.
All our team had to do. Alright, one more go.
That's crazy.
alright, game over.
That's bonkers. Yeah,
Yo, bye, let's go,
Chicago.
bro.
Bye.
I hate Chicago pizza.
Chicago pizza.
Sniper King. Look, look.
I got
look,
Chicago.
Look,
You didn't see that?
look how big
got
my
Chicago
flask
pizza?
is for the.
I got Mexican.
Look how
What is
big
this?
the. Huh?
This is all like
Alright, I'm gonna edit this. And I edit this, I'm gonna post
Technically
this.
didn't.
This is as far as I
It's the
can
game's
go.
fault.
GG
Yes.
easy.
And I'm still not.
GG easy. Take this L, Braham, we won.
randomly threw 2 times and bounced in the goal.
Don't get off.
That's the most
Why not?
calculated. Them nuts did
Get
all
off,
the
I
work.
get off.
Them nuts did
Well, I'm
all
getting
the
off.
work.
But I'm gonna get on at 3 again. You wanna hop on at 3 again?
Them nuts.
But you're not ES2.
Bro, what's up, guys? What's up,
My
guys?
nuts are big,
You're having a
so
good
I
chat.
got big punches.
Oh yeah, I'll add you back. Boom. Alright, that's it, bro. That's it, everybody. I'm gonna stop this video. 36 minutes. Okay. Bye, everybody.